Hi, my name is joani.pemberton with Simply Vegas, and we are at the Regency, which is in the Cliffs, and the Cliffs is in South Summerlin. And the Regency is an over 55 development, and it's a Toll Brothers development, so it's guard gated, and it has the fully recreational facilities, including an indoor-outdoor pool and all of that. And I'm going to take you to the Stony Ridge model, and the Stony Ridge model is 1793 square feet. It features 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and a den. It has this really interesting outdoor space. Well, I'm going to take you through everything. And the current base of this desert contemporary facade model is $573,995, and there are no lot premiums in any of these homes, which is a plus. And the association dues in here is $308 a month. So let's take a look around. So I'm starting outside of this Stony Ridge model, and first of all, over here is a little zen garden area, kind of cute. And then the sales office is right there. I'm just kind of showing you around the neighborhood. More homes down the block. So first of all, this is a darling courtyard. Let me show you, see how pretty it is. It has these big pavers. We'll go into the garage. The garage is on the right. A bit bright out here. So this is fully tiled out here. These tiles are huge too. We have this little sitting area in this charming courtyard. Isn't this pretty? And it has and again, this is the model. It doesn't come like this. There's a nice little fireplace here. Built in, fully tiled, and stuccoed on the top. You can get over here. That is really charming. This courtyard is huge. I'm going to take you into this garage too, since it's opened. There's a little buzz here. This garage has plantation shutters. It's epoxy floor. We have a door that's going to go out to the exterior, and there is a tankless water heater, just for I'll show you what the colors are. Outside, taking you inside. Again, this is the Stony Ridge model. It's a desert contemporary facade. Front door. So we first walk into this nice little foyer, and it's circular. Try to get a shot of it here. So it has this beautiful, interesting laid tile. And its tile looks like wood. It's a beige color. So the theme of this home is kind of beige and off-white. It has this beautiful ceiling. Nice chandelier. So this is circular. It's really pretty. Okay, so when we first walked into the front door, and I'll get in that position, to my right is going to be a bedroom and a bath, which we're going to start. And then over here is going to be the great room, family, living area, so to speak, and we'll get there. So first of all, starting over here, there's like a private bedroom. Here is the entrance to the garage where we just were. There's like a little linen area, cabinetry. So the cabinetry color in here is kind of a gray, light gray-green, if you will. So first we have this 3/4 bath. It has, again, that gray-green color cabinetry. It has quartz countertop. This happens to have these little tiny tiles that is on this wall. Glass are really pretty. We have the same tile in the shower. In the back of the shower, we have a bench that matches the countertop. And what's really pretty throughout this house is this beautiful crown molding. It really sets off the architectural design of this home. It's in many of the rooms. So we're moving on into the bedroom in here. This bedroom also has a tray ceiling, with the crown molding. It has this built-in wall. This is cute. This is all built-in too. Built-in cabinetry. So everything is built in. Really pretty. And this has its own 9-foot slider that's going to take us out to that beautiful exterior outdoor kitchen. So we're moving on. So we move into this great room, family room, kitchen, dining room combination. So we're going to start here in the kitchen. The kitchen is 21 by 10. It has Jenner appliances. It has, again, this beautiful cabinetry. It goes to the ceiling, and then again, we have that crown molding that is so pretty. We have a 4 by 8 island. It has granite countertop, and again, that beautiful cabinetry. It has a double sink and a Jenner dishwasher. On this side, I want to show you how pretty this is. Different perspective. It has a Jenner. I think Jenner is the package. Refrigerator freezer combination. I'm not really going to open it up. That doesn't get me anywhere. It has a Jenner range and a cooktop. The hood, and again, that elegant cabinetry. So moving over here, we have a cappuccino maker, or coffee bar, if you will, and a microwave oven, all Jenner. So what's interesting right over here, we're now in the dining area, and this dining area is 21 by 9, approximately. And again, you can see the tray ceiling, and within the tray ceiling up here is that beautiful crown molding. That's so pretty. We have recessed lighting. We have the chandelier and the pendant lighting over the kitchen island. And that comfortably sits 3 people. So again, the dining room is here, and the dining room is 21 by 14. And the cabinetry next to the dining room, this is really interesting. They built it, or they installed it inside the window. So, the window is on the other side, and so it's all really picturesque, and that natural light comes through. That's really interesting. And again, there's that 18-foot slider. We're going to get there. So here we have the main living area, and I'm going to call it the main great room, if you will. And this is 21 by 14. This fireplace is optional. Again, this is the same kind of tone that blends well, that soft green-gray. This wall is tiled. It has this interesting 10 by 20 tile. It's hard to see, it just kind of blends in. So, this is really pretty, and we're gonna get there. We're gonna get to the outside, which is kind of the best part of the house, I think. So, in this house, they built this massage room, which is fully glassed in. This is usually a den, an open den. So this spa isn't really optional. They did it for the purposes of this model, but it's really cute. So we're inside the den right now. And this den is 11 by 10, and it's fully tiled, notwithstanding the glass window over here. And this has actually a spa inside. They built a spa in here. And like I said, this is not available. This is for the model purposes only, but that's kind of fun, isn't it? They did a real nice job. So moving along. So that is a 9-foot slider. Takes you to the outside. So to my left is going to be the laundry room. The laundry room has the same countertop, but kind of a dark taupe countertop and the same cabinetry. They have the sink, which is helpful. Again, they did this crown molding throughout, and it just brings some elegance to this home, quite frankly. So we're going to move on into the master bedroom. It has a little linen, it's really kind of a closet, built-in closet area on the master. Let me give you the other side of them. Coat closet, quite frankly. Built in, I think California Closets did that. So moving along into the master bedroom. This master bedroom, look at this. This is so pretty. The ceiling has wood beams. Well done. This master bedroom is 16.5 by 13.5. It has plantation shutters in the windows. Get over here so you can see the pretty. It has a 9-foot slider that goes out to that outdoor kitchen and outdoor living area, quite frankly. And so we're going to go into the master bathroom. This master bathroom has a shower only. It has dual vessel sinks. It's fully tiled. The wall is, again, it has that green-gray cabinetry. To my left, we have the water closet. Nice mirrors. So to my left, next to the water closet, is a walk-in shower, fully tiled. It also has a pretty, looks like it's granite. It's probably actually quartz, I'm not sure. But nice bench, it all matches. Actually, it looks like granite. And even the bottom is tiled. This is very tasteful. And moving along, this closet looks bigger than it really is because of the mirror there. But this master closet is nice. Fully built out. Okay. Next, I think I'm going to take you outside to this lovely outdoor living space. This is really kind of looks like it could be an indoor space. It has a fully covered pergola here, and then underneath, when you first walk out from the family room, it has a covered patio. So we're going to start here. So this is so pretty. Fully covered patio, nice little sitting area. And over, so again, there's the 18-foot slider. 6 panels. Over here we have like, I guess you call that a vegetable sink. A beverage refrigerator. Nice cabinetry. A wine refrigerator. This is all granite. This is well done. This is fully tiled, I should say, out here too. These tiles are beautiful. They're long. You know, they're 8 inches wide, or maybe even 10 inches wide, and I can't tell you how long they are. 42 inches is my guess. Isn't that pretty? There's a whole another dimension for living space. The air conditioner is loud out here, but here is this outdoor kitchen. Again, we're under the pergola. This is a bar, so it has a sit-up bar. And I'm going to guess this is probably 18 feet. Accommodates those nice chairs. In this outdoor kitchen, so this is from this perspective. So I'm going to walk through here. That has a refrigerator. It's a little tight in here, tight squeeze. Has usually a coyote. Oh no, a sizzle barbecue. You know, I'm gonna have to step back to let you see this. I'm too up close right now, but this is really pretty too. So I'm gonna go over here. So right now, I'm looking over the bar. Show you the cabinetry behind, next to, I should say, the barbecue. Isn't that pretty? This is just really charming. So this outdoor living space is great. And for purposes of where we stand right now, there's the first bedroom that we came into. Again, this is the covered patio, not 8-foot sliding glass, or 18-foot sliding glass door. This has a little heater out here. I don't know if I showed you the ceiling out here. It has these beam ceilings. It's rather charming, actually. Okay, I'm going to go back in from the master where we came in. So the master has its own sliding glass door to this patio, as does that bedroom and the family room. So plenty of access here. So thank you again for taking this tour with me again of the Stony Ridge model. Again, we are at the Regency in the Cliffs, and it's in South Summerlin. And again, just to refresh your memory, this is a Stony Ridge model. It is 1,793 square feet. It has 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and a den. The current base price of this contemporary, desert contemporary facade is $573,995. So if you're interested in this home or any homes on my video tours, please feel free to contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, you can hit that bell. Thanks.